I'm feeling high when I'm low, I need it more when you're close to me, 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 close to me. I'm broken when you're not around, unspoken words I'm screaming out. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now.
Removing some of the old tech, had to fish it all out from this side and then disconnect it from the ECU. Now we'll move on to other things. Get the ECU removed. Gonna go ahead and clean up this wiring right here since this is for the old boost controller. Need to take off the ECU bracket or else this thing won't fit. Got it routed right there. Now, trying to get all that wires to fit in there is a pain. O2 sensor is kind of rubbing a little bit, so might want to put like a little, just kind of have to watch that one. But yeah, took me a while to get all that big plug in there. Trying to shove this too big plug in the middle was a pain, so had to make sure nothing got cut or damaged. So left this thing along in here, so I'm going to zip tie it along. I'm going to go ahead and take off one more bolt, and then that bracket needs to come off. Still got one more bolt and that one big one on the bottom. Just added a little bit of cut resistant tape just in case, since I'm going to be placing it right there. So I'm going to go ahead and plug everything in. One of the locking tabs is broke on this one, so what I went and did is obviously lock in the clip, that way it doesn't come off whenever you're in boost or just normal driving. It's this lock right here that broke off. I'm surprised it was even running when you got it here, but I just went ahead and did all three of them just in case. So that's what I came up with. This one's obviously upside down. It's a little wedge in there, but this part is pushing down on the harness adapter, so it kind of secures it in there because it is kind of a tight fit, but it's not going anywhere. So overall it kind of worked out a little bit.
Support. You have an employee who failed to report theft of an asset worth $7 million. Every company.
Here's what I came up with. And yes, that will not go nowhere. It's secured from the back. That's a true test of how secure I have it in there. That's how tight it is. Close tolerance that you have to screw it in to get it to go in there. So it's a pretty tight fit. So it doesn't just slide in. First startup with everything. Yes, the radio doesn't work. Come on. E85 life. Round 2. Round 3. Ready to roll, boys. Boost controller wired up. Show you real quick. Still got the plug and play. Nicely tucked in here behind the ECU. Out of sight, out of mind.